Hello everyone. Welcome back. We used the word congratulations to show that we're happy for someone's success or good news. Now, let's learn how to use this word correctly in English. The simplest way to use it is by just saying congratulations, or the shorter form, congrats. For example, if your friend gets a promotion at work, you can say, congratulations. Here's something important. We use this word as a plural noun in this context, and also watch out for the spelling, especially the TU part. Now, let's look at 3 common phrases with this word. The first one is, congratulations on something, or on doing something. For example, congratulations on your new job, and congratulations on passing your exams. It's a common mistake to use for instead of on. So, remember, it's congratulations on, not congratulations for. The second phrase is congratulations to someone. For instance, congratulations to Lisa on her new baby. The last phrase is to give, offer, or send congratulations to someone. For example, please give my congratulations to your parents on their anniversary. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.